API stands for Application Programming Interface, and in simple terms, APIs allow us to connect applications together. It sets the rules for which two entities can share information, almost like a mediator between one application and another. So if we think about an application, it's made up of lots of smaller pieces of code that do things and return some results. APIs allow us to connect these smaller pieces of code or applications together to create a larger application. For example, your phone may want to display the weather in your location and display an alert if you're likely to need an umbrella on your commute today. To do this, the application needs to know two things. Firstly, where you are, and secondly, what is the weather at that location. Your application can use API calls to gather this information, process it, and display the results for you. In this case, all the developer has to worry about is handling the information that comes back and the logic of calculating the umbrella alert. They don't need to go out and build weather stations and create their own proprietary weather models or ask the user where they are. To give a more abstract example, my favorite so far is the restaurant. You have a menu and the kitchen prepares your food. Your waiter is the link between you and the kitchen. They are in fact the API. They take your order and return with the food. Everything that happens in the kitchen is hidden, which is called abstraction, and means that we don't actually need to worry about how the kitchen does its job, just as long as we get the response, in this case the food we ordered, back. We'll talk more about abstraction a little bit later on. That's it for this video, and in the next one, we'll be taking a closer look at some hands-on examples and how we interact with APIs. See you in the next video.